How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Today I'll be showing you some more secret hidden Samsung features that many of you are not using on their Samsung devices. Guys, if you want to learn something new and useful to get most out of your Galaxy smartphone, then stay tuned and watch this video till the very end. Also, let's aim for at least 1000 likes on this one. With that said, drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. Alright guys, let me show you a very simple trick related to notifications. Let's say whenever we get notifications, sometimes we forget to respond to a specific notification immediately, or we may want to respond to it after some time. In situations like this, what if I tell you, you can set a reminder for a specific notification so you can respond to it later on. To enable this useful feature on your phone, just go to Settings, Notifications, and then go inside Advanced Settings. Here when you scroll down, you get this option that says Snooze button. Just go ahead and turn on this option, and you also need to turn on Notifications Reminder. Now again tap on this setting and select Apps to get reminders for. Here you can select all the apps for which you want to get a reminder. Not only this, you can also choose the time duration as well. Once done, now whenever you get a notification from that specific app, just expand the notification and you get the option to set a reminder for it. I think it's a really useful feature that you should enable on your Samsung device right now. Next, did you know you can now add quick toggles widgets onto your home screen so you can easily access all your quick settings without opening the notification panel? All you have to do is just long press and select widgets. Now scroll down until you find this option that says modes and routines. Simply tap on it and select this widget called multiple routines. Now click on then condition and select the toggle you would like to add to your home screen. You can add toggle for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile data, flashlight, dark mode and much more. Let me go ahead and select a Wi-Fi toggle. Then I'll tap on save and here I can change the icon, choose a different color and then tap on done. Then again press and hold on the widget, go to settings and select details. Like this you can add as many toggles to your home screen. And now you can easily control all the quick settings directly from your home screen even without opening the notification panel. This works exactly like the quick toggles widget that we have on the Nothing Phone 2. I will highly recommend you to start using these useful shortcuts on your Samsung phone. Right now I'm in Play Store, and if I quickly want to open Twitter, I just need to swipe down from the left and it opens this pop-up window where I can easily access all my favorite applications. I don't have to close the app, then go to the app drawer and search for the other application. I can easily open any app that I want with just a single swipe. To get this amazing feature on your Samsung phone, you will need the Good Lock application, and the module that I'm using is called One Hand Operations. Recently this module got an update and now you can assign this quick launcher action to your swipe. Apart from this, you can also choose the number of columns. Let's say you want to add more applications to this pop-up window, then you can select 4 columns instead of just 2. Not only you can add applications to this quick launcher, but it also allows you to add some useful functions as well. All in all, this launcher is super useful, and if you are already using the one-hand operations, then make sure you update and running the latest version so you can get this brand new feature on your phone. If you are someone like me who is not into gaming and would like to have some extra battery life on their phone, then this next hidden feature is definitely for you. All you need to do is just go to settings, select battery and device care, then again select battery. Now if you scroll down, you get this option that says more battery settings. Just go inside and here you get this setting called performance profile. It is set to standard by default. I'll suggest you to change it to light profile. What it basically does is, it prioritizes battery life and cooling over processing speed. Honestly, I have been using it for a couple of days. Since I've got the standard S23, I really wanted to have better battery performance on this phone. Trust me, I haven't noticed any lag or stutters, and the battery performance got improved as well. So if you really want to have some extra battery, then definitely go ahead and change this setting. So that's pretty much it for this video. These are some amazing tips, tricks and hidden features for your Samsung phone. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.